Hello and welcome to Zoomstick Media.
Wow, my heart is heavy. Hearing this terrible news, how 3 infants' dreams cut short, lights dimmed in such devastating manner. It's terrible. This is not the narrative we should be selling. This is not the narrative, because this is a country I'm coming from, and I do know that I saw warmth. I saw good people. I saw people who just wanted to be happy. I saw a generation of young people, thriving, and had so much anticipation of the best to come for themselves and their country. Trust me when I say this, okay? I speak about this passionately because this is not the narrative we should be selling. No, this is not it. I mean, it's so sad. It's so sad. And to the families of those who lost this young angels, I know there's no amount of condolences that will heal you. My condolences, though, but I pray you find peace, knowing that the world mourns with you. We mourn with you, and I say to my brothers and sisters in Zimbabwe, my brothers and sisters, please stay woke, because evil thrives when good people stay silent. Okay, this is not the narrative, and to those who did this, shame on you. Shame on you. You did this. God saw it, and God will hear the prayers of their parents, okay? God will hear. Shame on you. This is not the narrative we should be selling. This is not it. This is not the narrative. Shame on you. God bless Zimbabwe. God bless Africa. And God bless the parents and families of these wonderful 3 angels. Wow.
For more stories, please do like and subscribe.